So Greg, I was looking at neuroplasticity and how learning physically changes our brain. And I was trying to find a really good example of that. And then I came across the example you used in your book about lending cab drivers. Can you give us a little bit about that study?
Sure, be glad to. So yeah, neuroscientists decided to study this one group that really is intensively involved in learning. They can't use any other map. They can't use a physical map, they can't use GPS. So they really truly have to learn this very complicated network of streets. And it takes them months and months, and they have to pass a very difficult exam. And then for a comparison group, they chose another group that did a lot of driving, so they didn't want to explain any differences by driving alone, so they picked bus drivers. Now the thing about bus drivers is they don't really have to learn a whole lot. They take the same route every day, and so on. So then when they look at the hippocampus of these two groups, this brain region involved in learning and memory, the hippocampus of the cab drivers was a lot more complex and rich and bigger actually than the bus drivers. So this is just another great example then of how learning really does change the brain.
I'm really glad that you mentioned the hippocampus and learning because we're actually going to go into talking about the brain structures now. So thank you a lot for giving us that example.